Welcome dear all. Dear student, today I would like to explain next poem, Nose versus Eyes. This poem is written by William Cowper. Initially, first we will learn icebreakers which are given on page number 87. So let's start. Dear student, let's start activity 1 in icebreakers. See, complete the web with help of adjectives used to describe eyes and nose in all respects. Two are done for you. Student, you know that we have five senses: eyes, nose, skin, smell, touch, tongue, ear. This can be considered as our senses. Now, eyes being the most important organ of our body, we can describe eyes with the help of various adjectives. Two examples are given there, student. Beautiful eyes. She has beautiful eyes. Discerning understanding. Expressive eyes. Her eyes are so expressive. Her eyes speaks. Her eyes speak. Dreamy eyes, kind nature eyes, probing eyes, inquiring eyes. Even eye contact also gives you confident. Eye can be also non-verbal communication. Eye rolling. The movement you have done by eye rolling or raising your eyebrows, student, definitely eyes are considered as a non-verbal communication. And when we describe eyes with the help of the different adjectives such as beautiful, dreamy, kind, expressive, probing. See now second, that is nose. Now how we describe nose? Two examples are given there. Sharp nose. Sharp means having very strong sensation, very sensitive. Pointed nose, chef. Discerning or sensitive nose. So another sense, that is nose, smell. And eyes and nose, student, we consider these are the most important organ of our body, and we describe them with the help of various adjectives. See next activity. Here student, table is given there. Given below are some words from legal terminology used in court affairs. Discuss and complete the table accordingly. Student, there are 10 words given there. Usually these words are used in court. This is legal terms, legal terminology. See, affidavit, argument, consent, counsel, judgment, trial, verdict, contempt of court. You must have heard about it. Notice and stay order. Now, student, one by one, we will discuss and describe its definition. You have heard about affidavit. Whenever we want to apply for caste certificate, marriage certificate, or any legal document, we have to do affidavit. We have to present our affidavit. That is a written statement confined by oath or affirmation for use as evidence in court. Second is argument. Now, student, argument means what? This is in order to convince people. This is order to convince people that your opinion about something is correct. Usually argument and discussion, both things are different. In discussion we consider both sides, but in argument the person who is speaking is considered as a correct only. Consent. Consent means unanimous decision, approval, assent in opinion. Next student, that is number 4, counsel. Now we have appoint counsel, legal counsels, advocates, advice, legal advice. So counsel means legal advice. Number fifth student, judgment. Judgment means the decision which is pronounced by the judge. Judgment. Trial, that is formal meeting in a law court. You know, whenever there is a person who is accused and there is a trial in the court. So trial means formal meeting in a law court. Verdict. Verdict now, judge final decision. Judgment student, the decision given by judge, and verdict means judge final decision. Contempt of court, disobeying court order. Disobeying court order. Verdict, judge final decision. Now contempt of order, disobeying court order. Notice, asked to do something into. Notice means definitely it is the information you supposed to do something. This is a notice, we supposed to follow some rules. And student, last legal terminology, that is stay order. Stay order means it is the order given by court not to do something as it is, no change. So finally the last term, stay order, we have discussed student here. These are the legal terminology. We have completed second icebreaker. Let's move to last icebreaker on page number 87. See, name the 5 sensory organs and provide phrases, idioms, proverbs related to them. Now one is given for you. To turn a deaf ear. Now see, we have 5 organs, 5 sensory, 5 senses, that is skin, nose, tongue, ear, eyes and skin. These are considered as a 5 senses. Now using 5 sensory organ, student, we supposed to prepare phrases, idiom or proverb. To turn a deaf ear means do not listen anything, avoid completely. Or to turn blind eye. Now this is the terminology or proverbs based on eye. To turn blind eye, to glow blind eye. To be thick skin. To be thick skin. To taste success. Now this is another proverb phrase. To taste success mean to achieve great success. And last activity, student, here we are discussing one example for this activity. To smell something fishy. To smell something fishy. So this is example of the various phrases. Student, in this video I have tried to cover all the icebreakers.